I let go of all things I cannot control. What I can only control is how I would react to certain things, how I would feel to certain things. I can only control myself, not anyone, not even my destiny. But I'm trying to make sure that I am still focused towards my goals. I am still disciplined towards my goals. That's it. If you chose to be both, I'm doing it here now. I'm a living proof that you can do both. You don't need to be a breadwinner and set aside your dreams. No, please. It will drain you. Just like what happened to me. It drained me for 10 years, for almost a decade of working there in the Philippines. It drained me financially and emotionally and mentally. That's why I needed a new environment. I needed it. And thanks God that He brought me here. Up until today, my life is not easy. Okay, it will be hard. It will be hard. But make sure that your pain, just like me, my pain, my heartache, my confusion, I surrender it to God. Salamat ang pagkita.